season, so it's really exciting. Then we get to see one more opportunity of him coming up in Margaret River. 32 minutes on the clock, and Jordy Smith, former Bell's champion from 2017, in the lineup against a rookie in Jackson Baker, who's had a couple opportunities on the pro junior level here, but never on the championship tour. As we see a massive set rolling through to kick things off, and a strong scratch from Jackson Baker with priority to duck under. Jordy Smith with a score to drop in as we see a perfect healer running down the line here. Bell Beach, my name is Shannon Hughes.
経由3000円分。はい。来ましたね。1号。明日からかな、本番は。いいんじゃないですか、でも。
Start my weekend out right. Gonna live it up in my downtown. I got a new book and it's supposed to look just right. This is sunlight. Work on my sunburned old day. The crow in my hand and I don't need any plans to have the time that I'm looking for. The Saturdays are what my weeks were made for. We got that sunshine and good time. Living our best lives down off Seminole Drive. We're getting sky high off some low tide. We're playing wiffle ball in the sand while we're listening to our favorite band. My body's in the beach. The sunglass dies, nobody knows why. We'd be anywhere else. So when it's harder than hell. We got stories to tell all summer long, with some good songs to sing along. The breeze is too nice to ignore. Saturdays are what my weeks were made for. We got that sunshine and good time. We're living our best lives down off Seminole Drive. We're getting sky high off some low tide. We're playing wiffle ball in the sand while we're listening to our favorite band. We just might get around in before sundown. Faint chains in the background. Stevie C's got an ace now. Huey Lewis is the only kind of news I wanna hear. It's just to sit right down and how to sell some Mexican beer. Yeah. Saturday's the best time to let it all unwind. We got some good shade to celebrate all of them good days that are coming our way. I'll see you on Saturday.